The Foo Fighters have postponed a performance originally scheduled for Saturday in Los Angeles following a confirmed COVID-19 case within the Foo Fighters organization, the band shared in a social media post Wednesday. The post, which did not specify if the person who tested positive was in the band or crew, noted that the group has made every effort to follow CDC COVID protocols and local laws. USA Today has reached out to representatives for the Foo Fighters for additional information. They added that the decision was made out of an abundance of caution and concern for the safety of the band, crew and most of all the fans, and a new date will be announced shortly. Tickets for the June 17 date will be honored for the new date, the post said. COVID-19 rates in the U.S. have once again spiked to more than 1,000 new infections every hour, according to a USA Today analysis of Johns Hopkins University data for the week ending Wednesday. The nation is averaging about 25,300 new cases per day, more than double the 11,300 per day the week of June 22. The total rose in 48 states, all but Iowa and South Dakota, though the totals represent only about 10% of the numbers being reported in the worst week in January. Experts attribute the rise in cases to low vaccination rates, the relaxation of mask rules and other precautions, and the swift spread of the more contagious Delta variant. Foo Fighters reopen Madison Square Garden with Dave Chappelle at sold-out show. Lady A cancels first concert of tour after band members' hospitalization for appendicitis. Last month, the Foo Fighters and Dave Chappelle reopened Madison Square Garden in New York City to full-capacity concerts with a sold-out show, the venue's first in more than 15 months with no masks, social distancing or capacity limits. Attendance required proof of vaccination, which was met with a handful of protesters outside the venue, who displayed signs that read "Kurt Cobain is rock and rollin' over," a reference to Grohl's former Nirvana bandmate who died in 1994, and MSG and Foo Fighters complicit in crimes against humanity. On stage, Grohl dedicated the song My Hero to those who worked to get the country to a point where live indoor shows could return. "I don't think I'd be here tonight if it weren't for a lot of people who helped us get this far," Grohl said. "Not naming names, but we can sing this song." The band's next scheduled performance is July 28 in Cincinnati. The Foo Fighters are slated for several performances this summer, including festival appearances Lollapalooza, Bonnaroo, Boston Calling and the New Orleans Jazz and Heritage Festival. Contributing, Eleanor Asbegren and John Bacon, USA Today, and Chris Jordan, Asbury Park Press.